In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter new line in ChatGPT 2026 full guide. Whether you're drafting a multi-paragraph prompt, organizing ideas, or just trying to keep things tidy, knowing how to insert a line break without accidentally sending your message makes a big difference. Let's start on desktop, including the web browser and desktop apps. By default, pressing enter sends your message. To add a new line instead, press and hold Shift, then press enter. On a Mac keyboard, that's Shift plus return. You'll see the cursor move down to a fresh line inside the same message box so you can keep typing without sending. A handy tip here: repeat Shift plus enter whenever you want extra spacing, like creating a blank line between sections or adding a clear break before a new paragraph. This works throughout the message, and you can do it as many times as you need for readability. On mobile, both iOS and Android are a bit more straightforward in the app. Just tap the return key on the on-screen keyboard to create a new line. Your message won't send until you tap the send icon, the small upward arrow next to the text box. That separation makes it easy to draft longer prompts with clean spacing. If you're using a mobile browser instead of the dedicated app, you may find that the desktop rule applies, so Shift plus Enter could be required to insert a line break without sending. If you like visual structure that the AI can quickly recognize, you can also format lines with simple symbols. For bullet points, begin a new line with an asterisk or a hyphen. For numbered lists, start lines with numbers followed by a period like 1, 1, and 2. And to divide sections, type 3 dashes in a row to create a clear horizontal break. These markers don't change how the enter key behaves, but they do make long prompts easier to scan and help highlight key parts. A quick troubleshooting note: if you press enter too soon and send your message by accident, you can click the pencil icon labeled edit on the sent message. That reopens the text box so you can add the missing lines and clarify your prompt without starting from scratch. And if you're using a Bluetooth or other external keyboard with a tablet or phone, it will typically follow the desktop rule. Use Shift plus Enter to insert a new line. That's it. Mastering these simple line break techniques will help your prompts look professional, organized, and easy to read. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.